So today we are at task number 10. We are learning about Nmap scripts. We have an overview. The Nmap scripting engine, NSE, is an incredibly powerful addition to Nmap, extending its functionality quite considerably. NSE scripts are written in the Lua language and can be used to do a variety of things, from scanning for vulnerabilities to automating exploits for them. The NSE is particularly useful for reconnaissance. However, it is well worth bearing in mind how extensive the script library is. There are many categories available. Some useful categories include: we have the safe category, won't affect the target; intrusive, not safe, likely to affect the target; vuln, which is scanning for vulnerabilities; exploit, attempt to exploit the vulnerability; auth, attempting to bypass authentication for running services. For example, we have a log into an FTP server anonymously; brute, attempt to brute force credentials for running services; and discovery, attempting to query running services for further information about the network. For example, query an NSMP server. A more exhaustive list can be found here, which I presume is the doc of Nmap. Yes, there is. We've went through this in the last video, but you can quickly see the docs over here, and you can access the language you prefer, and then from this just choose whatever you want to learn or just search the website. In the next task, we'll look at how to interact with the NSE and make use of the scripts in these categories. Answer the questions below. What language the NSE scripts are written in? Lua. Which category of scripts would be a very bad idea to run in a production environment? That is the intrusive type of scan. Cool.